Welcome to this Introduction to Management Information Systems, MIS, a survival guide. My name is Alfonso Duran. You may know me from the presentation video. I am a professor of engineering management at UC3M and coordinator of this MOOC, and I will be the narrator in its videos. Thus, I assume we shall be seeing each other quite a bit in the forthcoming weeks. Even though you won't see them in the videos, you are also likely to interact and receive support from my colleagues in this course. Our profiles are in the course's presentation page. And our course mascot, Missy, is also eager to help. I do hope you will find this course helpful and a productive investment of your time. Management information systems permeate our professional and personal life. We all use them to carry out our banking operations, buy things online, and for countless purposes at our workplace. Sometimes, however, they can be a little confusing, and quite often they can be quite annoying in their stubborn insistence that you do things precisely their way. In this course, we shall try to provide an overall introduction to what management information systems are, how they shape day-to-day business life, and my own current and future job. The supporting infrastructures, such as the cloud or big data, and the main integrated systems, the ERPs, such as SAP, or the open source alternatives, such as Odoo. This introductory course will generally adopt a light touch and a managerial rather than purely technological focus. We will profusely use analogies to illustrate key concepts, resort to frequent examples to illuminate the explanations, and strive to strike a proper balance between clarity, amenity, and conceptual soundness. May I suggest that you have a look at the syllabus? You will find useful information there regarding the content of the course, the detailed structure, and the evaluation procedures. This edition of the course is self-paced. Thus, all required materials will be available from the first day, and you can progress through its content according to your own schedule. To provide some tentative guidance, however, we have kept the original weekly structure that we used in the first edition of this course when it was offered as a 6-week program, with fixed material release dates and test and assignments due dates. Thus, you can simply think of the 6 weeks as 6 units, or you can use this duration as a tentative time frame to motivate yourself to work continuously on the course and fend off the temptation to procrastinate and leave everything for tomorrow, for mañana. In the first week or unit, we will analyze what management information systems are and how do they fit within the overall information and communication technologies or ICTs environment. We shall then discuss how companies obtain their management information systems by either purchasing ready-made packages or by bespoke development, and explore the alternative offered by open systems. Week 2 will be devoted to networks and distributed information systems, particularly client-server models. In week 3, we shall examine our raw material, data, and discuss databases and the very fashionable area of big data. In week or unit 4, we will address the management information systems' top predators, the integrated information systems known as ERPs, or enterprise resource planning systems, and the associated integrated business processes. This week, you will carry out a hands-on assignment in which you will access a real ERP to carry out a set of real-life transactions. Week 5 will be dedicated to the challenges involved in implementing and customizing ERPs. And to finalize this course, in week 6, we shall address the role played by management information systems in information-driven decision-making, and conclude with some reflections about the future and a see you again soon farewell.
The topic of this course sounds interesting. I wonder, however, how hard would the course be? Will I have any issues following it if I have no previous MIS background?
Well, there is no reason to worry. This is an introductory course, thus no previous knowledge is taken for granted. I honestly do believe, nevertheless, that even those familiar with ICTs and management information systems will also benefit from this course. I look forward to a challenging, rewarding, and hopefully fun course. I will see you in the videos of the first week or unit. Goodbye for now.